Huh? What's going on, Walter?
Not much, Adrian. Welcome back to another episode of Slingshot Garage. Fucking wrong.
Nice.
Bruh.
What up, bruz? We're back. As you can see, my 240 has another front end. It's funny how I switched over from front ends. At first, when I brought it home from the shop, it had a Sylvia front end, and then I think I stopped shooting for a while, and then I shot another video, and then you guys saw it with the pig nose front end, and now I have a Chuki front end. Chuki, shark nose, whatever. Yeah, she's chilling. I just recently, I haven't really done much to the car. Just swap out the ball joints today, which were fucked. So yeah, I finally swapped that out. She's running good now. And what else did I do? Oh, you know what? I don't think I ever showed you guys. I relocated my battery to the back seat. Pretty much gutted out the back seat too. So there it is. Power cord is off a BMW. That is right. Which is really nice because it also comes with a fuse. And yeah, I haven't fully like seated it, so don't judge me. But yeah, this is all bolted down into the chassis, so it's pretty rigid. I went ahead and gutted the rear. My plan is to buy Street Factions I guess delete kit. Don't really know what it is, but yeah, it's pretty expensive, like $500, so I don't got that kind of money at the moment, but yeah, eventually it will still come. It will come. Let's see, anything different with the interior? Not really, other than my offbeat garage shift knob. Nice. Whoa. Almost fell. Let's see, what else? There she is, a good OSR. Not really much has changed other than I added a catch can. Don't worry, I will be swapping out that line. That's just temporarily. And then I got the AutoZone Special intake. Believe it or not, that thing is pretty sturdy and it gets the job done. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the 240. Oh shit, what the fuck? Stupid. Yeah, not much has been done to it. Whoa. Alright. But this guy, we're gonna be working on this Civic. I'm gonna tell the folks what you gonna be doing, bruh.
I'm gonna replacing the shot ball joints on my upper control arms, because those are eBay specials.
Nice.
So they blew almost immediately, and I've just been dealing it like that, you know, biding my time. But now we're doing it legit, and these should fit, since the upper control arm design is pretty much a rip-off of Skunk 2.
Oh.
So,
oh, sweet.
should work.
Keyword should work.
It should work. If it doesn't, well, we'll make it work.
As we always do.
Yeah, kind of have to.
Nice. What's different about your car? Oh, I think the only thing that's different is just the GSR seat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told this guy to take the Pear, because that seat is very comfortable. I remember when I had my EG, I had those seats on my car, and they were legit. And they only cost what? How much at the junkyard?
$40.
$40 at the junkyard. It's not bad. It's better than these seats.
Yeah, so for everyone out there trying to sell GSR seats for like $100 each, y'all can eat a dick, since the only difference is the pattern. It's like me charging $200 for SI seats when they're the same as all 96 to 2000 seats.
Damn. You're about to hurt some people's feelings out there.
Well, they're scammy. What the fuck?
That's true. But yeah. Good talk. Oh shit. Nice. That's my train of thought. Whoa. My guy. What the fuck happened here?
I ran over it on through it.
Holy shit. Well, that's not cool.
That's not. But there was a fucking IKEA bag that one time got tangled on the axle.
Right.
That was the worst.
I know.
I had to like pull it out.
Man. All these litter bugs. Anyways, let's see this blown bearing. I mean, this blown.
Look at that.
Well, I can't see, but the viewers can see.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to be changing out this piece right here. Let's see how it goes. Normally, I don't know what it is about this Civic right here, but every time we work on it, it gives us a bunch of fucking problems. Like the easiest thing that we do, it just takes about like 2 hours, and we're like, what the fuck? Yeah, right? It's just weird. It's the weirdest thing. Like the Civic doesn't like to get fixed. But damn it.
Whether it likes it or not, it's happening.
It's gonna fucking get fixed. I gotta stop cussing. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Yeah, you can't.
It's supposed to be a family friendly channel. I'm sorry. Anyways. I can't get it out.
Ooh, action
Bro.
shot. That's exactly what I was thinking. I was like, what if while trying to pull out the cotter pin, I hit the camera?
You're lucky. You're lucky the computer and iPhones are holding the viewers back. They would have fucking swung on your ass. Nah, it's cool. I have a protective thing over the camera, so we're good. What did you just discovered right now?
That I need to change my lower ball joints too.
Bro, we
Actually, no, it's not the lower ball joint.
we just replaced them.
It's my
Do you know how hard it is to replace that?
not the lower ball joint. It's the tie rod end.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not bad.
No, that's easy. It kind of
Oh
sucks.
well, the good thing is that it has a grease fitting, which means you can just keep filling it up with grease until you decide to change it. Nice. And we're still struggling with this cotter pin.
I mean, I got it out further than before, but it's doing its job and staying in there. I'm gonna end up hitting the camera.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna end up hitting the camera.
No, you're not.
Not because I want to, it's just gonna happen. I ended up fucking breaking it, dude.
Nice. Just pull her out. We'll be able to do it. We'll be able to do the damn thing. Finally pulled her out, and it broke on him. Wait, do you have a replacement one?
Yeah, it comes with it.
Okay, good. Fuck this cotter pin then. Again,
Pep Boy has
sorry for
cotter pins.
cussing. Do I not have a 17 socket?
Yeah. Is it righty tighty lefty loosey? Should be.
Lefty loosey,
That
bro.
Ah, fuck. Do you have a socket? Not trying to bust a knuckle for no reason.
Are you really a YouTube mechanic though if you're not busting knuckles?
It'll probably end up happening. I just don't want it.
God damn you.
It'll work for most things, not for everything though. It's the other way.
Wow.
At least I figured it out. Yeah. Like butter, and I was gonna try to use a what's it called, a box wrench?
Yeah.
I can't wait to J swap it. Put a supercharger on it. It's gonna be sick.
You're gonna J swap this car? I doubt it. Bro, you love the B16.
I do.
Damn. So that's the old one that came out?
Yeah.
That's the China one?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Your upper ball joint shouldn't be doing that. It should be rock hard.
Yeah. Shouldn't have a slit in it either.
Oh, nice boy. Okay, show him the new one. Show us the right there on the jack. So, eBay, not eBay. Floppy dick. Wait. Floppy. Wait. No. Floppy dick. That shouldn't be happening. That's a big no-no. Solid boy right there. Try moving it around.
They can't, man. They can't.
So that's how your upper ball joint should be. Well,
you shouldn't be able to move it.
You shouldn't be able
with
to
your hand.
Yeah, you shouldn't be able to move with your hand. That also applies for your lower ball joints. But you guys are all smart. You guys should know this. I'm just spitting out old facts that you guys already know. So yeah, that's cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop her in there.
Also, apparently these are better too than the ones I had before, because it says something about there being more angle.
Right.
So I'm hoping that when I go over like a pothole or something, the threads aren't gonna hit my shock tower like they used to.
Oh,
But we'll see.
nice. Let's pop them on and get her done.
Get her done.
Hold on. Oh, dude.
I don't think they fit.
No. Don't say that. Was it specific to the EM1?
It's the same, like 96 through 2000 Civic.
I don't even think I can see this.
Oh no, there we go.
All right, cool. Ooh. Had us scared for a minute there.
Right? Look at that.
Sweet.
How much better that looks.
We're gonna go ahead and pop her in there and then show you guys the end result for the passenger side. Be right back. So finally, got it done. There it is. She's looking all pretty. Nice. Pretty and pretty. And it's going along with your teen or however the frick you want to say it. How do you say it? Tain or teen?
Correctly, I think it's Tane.
Tain. Your tain coilovers. Cool. Off to the next side. Oh, did we ever mention about your Enki wheels? Your RPF ones?
My one RPF one? Nah, cause what if I want to sell it? And then people know that they're not all authentic RPF ones.
Bro. But you're not gonna sell them.
I'm not gonna sell them.
Alright, so okay, we can tell them.
I'll probably trade them for Enki 92s or some OEM SI wheels, but that's about it.
So what Walter here is trying to say is that his RPF ones aren't really RPF ones.
Well, 3 out of 4 aren't.
3 out of 4 aren't RPF ones. He originally bought the car with these wheels on.
Yeah.
And he recently discovered that he only has one authentic RPF one. So let me see if I can find out. I kind of forget sometimes which one it is, but I'm gonna see if I can
You'll
like.
be able to see it.
Yeah, I'll try to see if I can find it. So here's one of them. Here's one of them. It's wheel number 1. See how it says Enki right there?
You can
Enki?
buy those stickers.
You can buy those stickers, you're correct. Here's wheel number 2. See how it says Enki? Enki? That's wheel number 2.
Oh, it says Enki.
Alright, we'll go to wheel number 3. Here's wheel number 3. Notice how it says Enki. Enki. Wheel number 3. And wheel number 4. It's over here. Enki and Enki. Alright. By the looks of it, I want to say is wheel number 3. Is this one the real one?
Yeah.
This one?
Rear driver.
Rear driver, right?
Yeah.
So this one right here. So, let me see if I can try to spot the difference.
They're really small, but once you know, you're like, oh, okay.
So this, all right, guys, this is the real Enki RPF1 right here. So, and this is a knockoff. Okay, I know this is supposed to be easy, but what's the difference?
What's the difference?
Yeah, what's the difference?
So for one, the real one comes with the metal valve stems that come with the wheels when you buy them.
Right.
So all the other 3 have rubber ones. This one has the metal blue one. They come in black too. The finish looks better. It also has these 2 stampings. And then this, the little pocket is deeper than the ones on the replicas.
Okay, so this
But
is
it's
the
also because the offset's different.
okay, so okay, immediately I noticed there's no stamping on this, and yeah, I do agree. The pocket on this is a lot less than the other one. Okay, so yeah, so that is kind of like a hard that is something hard to like catch when you're looking at the car and all.
Well, I mean, if you know, you know.
Yeah.
But I didn't know the differences.
Yeah, and I think you found out because you had the wheels off, and then you noticed there wasn't a stamping in the back of the wheel.
Yeah.
That's how you found out, right?
So then I was gonna sell them. I didn't sell them advertising them as real. I just said they were RPF1 style, so no one can talk shit.
Right.
And then when I posted them for sale, I assumed that they were all reps. So
Right.
which is why I wanted to get rid of them, because I'd rather have OEM wheels. But then the one in the back is legit, so I was like, well, I can probably source other RPF ones individually and eventually get a set. Not that many people are selling them individually.
You gonna hit him with a comment, subscribe, like, or anything? Damn.
Oh
no help
yeah,
here.
make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe to Slingshot Garage, and hit that notification button.
Hey.
For when he does start uploading more, at least you guys are in the know. YouTube's funny like that. You guys are gonna have to search his channel, see if he's posted anything. If you don't, and I don't know. How do you normally finish it off?
That's pretty much it. All right, guys. Thank you. Catch y'all later. Bye.